Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jela Conrad Khia sangma. Ulang baka sarkar kan hapan bod iki kendon bat ban pit banya iki Kaiphod jangki jing Tohkit bapher haswa ban plat pit ba iki. Ya kate Conrad ulakran ha kasing thot ding hawa juba bi ka jingkeli kabai de be ka jingpen mi pat ba iki Kaiphod halar ka jing Tohkit jing jing sya sadyap General Secretary badam ka HNLC ba Chesterfield. Thank you. Reito balik se ha kasien ka beningkong ka sarkar kale opdeng ya Kaiphod na kilaitli ki commission lane ki Kynhun Tohkit kawai ni kita ki commission Conrad reito baka Kaiphod bat ki kat kisla ki bala ai sya ka sarkar ki Khia kumasan phau kilo ulong makamla banlong bon pendap ya ka jingpet benya ya kata ka Kaiphod tang hapo shisngi.
See, there's a process for everything. You have to understand that we have to go through the report, we have to go through every details. And I've mentioned that we have received the commission for the first time, I guess, commission, all the three commissions we've set up have submitted their reports. One is a full box, about 50 kg report has been submitted to us. I mean, if you expect me to go through it in one day, is not possible. So therefore, when we go through it, we have to see all the aspects and then accordingly. So there's a process that's followed. Everything requires time. It's not something that can be done anything. It's so you have to allow the process to continue. And as and when the process continues, we will definitely, whatever the findings are there, we will definitely inform the people.